Kwa Morara Kebaso, Seito Borabu constituency, ndo momrabwe miake mekebwe kegolie geke, ndo mawakili, na ande komenta nayo, I'm the best carpenter in the Republic of Kenya, Nkorosia, Ebirogo, Chimesa, Chisofa Sitese Company, Kurukumorara Home Furniture, eligeta abakoli emirimo baitanitie emyeyemo. Komenta nayo nkoligindo bojumbe bworogongo rwa Borabu constituency, no motukinde sana bwa mangana aswa ogo fafanua project chia CDF ne chia serikali Kenya ngima enchera chibesa chigotumekwa asenchera italia yobo ikira nande yero yo kurumi chibesa chanyara gosira. So that is also something I do, civic education and also auditing of projects. Yes.
All right.